Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 display settings you should change on a Samsung Galaxy M13. So in order to do this, let's open our settings. From here move to the display, and here we'll be able to change the setting. So first one is change the dim of the phone from light to dark, because by default it will be light, and in the dark mode, as you can see, it's already more pleasant to look at, and having a white screen blasted to your eyes is not a good idea, so keep the dark one, and that's a very good option. Next is adaptive brightness. I would leave it disabled and use the slider instead, because it's very annoying when you're outside or just walking into the house or any building, and your brightness keeps changing automatically and you can't see anything on your phone. So use the slider instead of adaptive brightness, and that would be a good idea. Next is eye comfort shield, but that setting only I would only recommend enabling it when you read something or just use your phone in your bed before sleeping. Next is font size and style. So if we press on it, we'll be able to change our font size, and I would actually recommend using the second option or third one if it's too small for you, because that way you have more of the text on your screen, and that's very comfortable to get. Next is a screen timeout. So if you press on it, and in default it's 30 seconds, I would increase it to 1 or 2 minutes, because it's very annoying when you read something and your phone just locks casually after 30 seconds. So that's basically it, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.